Gang, welcome. It's Skypilot here. Today I'm doing a bit of a cool unboxing of a parcel I just received in the mail. So let's go and unbox. Is it going to be a box? Okay. Unboxing of a box. It is a FlySky. Sweet. So the Echine US UK 65. It's called 65 because it has a 65mm wheelbase. This thing is way cool. Check out the link in the description, guys. This came from Banggood. If you don't know Banggood.com, awesome place to deal with. Fast shipping, cheapest prices. Believe you me. Log into them. Really good app for your phone for purchasing. Never had any problems. I've bought a lot of drones from them. Awesome communicators and everything. So yeah, if you don't know Banggood.com, then you're missing out big time. Check them out. They're up on the screen, in my description, all over the place. Pictures, you name it, you'll see them. So I have received this from them, and now I'm going to open up and see what's inside. So again, US UK. You guessed it. I'll say that's looks like the UK one to me. So you open up the package and you get some instructions. So this is the 6-in-1 Echine LiPo charger. It's pretty cool. The DC jack connection, XT60 battery connection, and a USB output, which is a maybe about a 5-volt output for your phone. Little display. It will scroll through, show you voltage of each of the power banks, all the 6 stations here. Each port has a switch for voltage, so it's either 4.2 or 4.35. So it's high volt charging, and a couple of settings for current output. So this switches between, say, 0.2 and 0.6 amps. So lots of features per station, so it's pretty cool. So these just basically, plug in here, plug in your power supply, and away you go. LiPo, obviously, as I said. 250 milliamp LiPo batteries. 4.35 volt. Pretty cool, I believe. And it comes with 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 250 milliamp hour batteries. There's number 3 there. So this is a little FPV whoopie. There's a little camera there. Weight of this is about, I believe, 1.8 grams. So she's pretty light. So quickly running over the model, it's the SE0603 or the KV19000. Multi-flight mode, so it does acro, air and angle. Brushless motors, as we knew. It's got Betaflight OSD support, so I'll put that up on the screen too. You can do a fair bit of configuring from the Betaflight program, so that's pretty cool. That's another 30-minute movie in itself to explain that. Camera angles adjustable. Headlight ready. Pretty neat. So 19,000 kV brushless motors. Now what's good about this particular unit here, which is different to the early ones, if you look at some early videos of the Echine UK US 65, is it has a 3-braid prop. This one I see has a 4, which is way cool, because that means this thing is going to absolutely rocket along. Yeah, camera, your standard CMOS camera, which you need to have, obviously analog, but it's pretty good quality, as you'll soon find out from my videos coming up. I wish I could just go and fly this right now, but yeah, I don't have my controller yet. It should be here in a day or two, so that's going to be pretty cool. Battery just slides, as you can see, slides in and out there. There's your micro USB, which is responsible for plugging into your computer. So getting back to what's in the bag here, you get 4 spare props obviously, some rubber bands for obviously hooking up your bits and bobs of extras in there, so that's pretty cool. A couple of micro screws to take the lid off, interchangeable parts, antenna, and should be a beauty. As I said, can't wait to fly this. Thank you very much, Banggood. You guys are awesome. Searching. Okay, I'm going to plug this into the computer, do some configuring, and get her ready to fly when my FPV remote comes. There's going to be tons of reviews on this online. They're all good. They all rave about it. So yeah, jump on a Banggood, check it out, make an order, have some fun, go for it. Okay, till the next one. See you in the workshop or in the sky.